Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Now that summer weather is here, I feel like I'm truly ready thanks to these awesome sandals. These are from Lovee Cosee, and these are going to be my absolute go-to pair of sandals for the summer. These shoes are super cushioned and comfortable. I would wear them all day if I was going out shopping, if I was going for a tour, a concert, whatever I'm doing in the summer. I feel like these shoes are going to be the perfect pair. The shoes are nice and chunky, so I get that added height without the uncomfortable feeling of high heels thanks to that platform shoe. The open toe design on these keeps my feet super cool, but they're also waterproof, so I don't have to worry if I'm out by the pool or caught in a rainstorm. These shoes are going to dry in no time. The buckle on these is fully adjustable, and when you're walking around, you can really feel like they stay put. That Velcro is nice and strong, and they stay in place with no problem. These come in super cute colors, but I really love the black and white because it really will go with everything. If you're looking for your perfect summer shoe that feels durable, you don't have to worry about it just being a cheap summer pair. These shoes are going to last me all summer and beyond into next year's. They're so durable feeling. I really love how cute they are, and they're so comfortable as well. I don't slip at all in them, and I can really enjoy my summer with these super cute shoes. But that's just my point of view.